real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when it's still trap. Know the track me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when it's still trap. Know the track me.
What's up, you guys? I missed y'all so much. So today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair like this icy gray. I made this wig about a year ago. So what I'm doing right now is I sprayed my lace with this Got To Be Glue Freeze Blast spray, to protect the lace so that the dye doesn't seep through and destroy it. Blow dry it on a hot heat and go ahead and brush it out. I went ahead and got this empty shoe container and filled it up with some steaming hot water. Look, that wasn't even no boiling water. That was straight from the sink. Then I went and filled it up with 1 bottle of platinum dye from Adore. I did the Bounty test and let me tell you something. Don't use Bounty. Use a piece of hair that you have left over from your trash, because the Bounty, it's white. So it's gonna like confuse you, And that's where I went wrong, because I was really going for this light pretty gray, the gray you be seeing on Instagram. Yeah. And the Bounty tricked me, so I ended up using 2 bottles, which gave me this icy gray. So you just want to mix it up. Make sure you mix everything up and go ahead and dip the hair in. I've water dyed so much hair before, but because this was my first time doing gray, I was so nervous. So, I was kind of skeptical of a lot of things. I wanted it to come out perfect. But next time, what you guys want to do is fully mix it up and submerge the whole entire wig into the water and rub it all up. Get gloves, get combs, something, and mix everything up properly. So here you can see why I stress do it properly, because a lot of places did not get the dye and I was just so mad. But I didn't give up. Do not give up. You want to just go ahead, rinse off the hair, fill back up that pan of hot water, go in with another bottle of dye. This is exactly what I did. I'm going with another bottle of dye. I mixed it up really, 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 really good. And then I got the hair and I got to sink it. You want to drown that bitch. Drown it. Yeah, I ain't got no regular music today because YouTube be trying to copyright claim me for the little good up music. I can't bother. So y'all gonna get the simple YouTube tune them. At this point, I was straight up gangster, just dipping my hands all up in that hot water like, you know what, you're gonna burn me today because I need this color. So I let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. Then I went in with some purple shampoo, rubbed up all the little spots that I wanted to be a little more silver tone, and it came out perfect. It worked to my desire. So I scrubbed it up, I scrubbed it all up, and I let this sit as well for another 5-10 minutes, Then I washed this out as well in some cold water. Look, listen. So, over time your lace begins to look like Noah part to see in it, and this is where I come in to save you and help you give that lace a few more wears. So you want to grab some makeup matching the color of that wig. This could be for any wig, any color, and you want to just follow what I'm doing. Like, it's kind of self-explanatory, just begin to create a line, like make invisible hair back in that section where it's starting to be bald, just watch. So you want to do this to both sides of the part, and you see it's starting to come together. Then you want to take the little spoolie brush and start to blend it in, just rub it up. Then you want to go in with a powder makeup with your skin tone that matches your skin tone, you know, and start to draw the little line, you know, the little scalp. Now it went from the C to bitch look. Okay, so now I'm just blow drying it, you know, it's all wet. It looked a little pretty. I should have left it like this. I don't know how I try this look. But now I'm just blow drying it and brushing it and all that pretty nice stuff, you know, getting it all nice and straight. So after I blow dried it, I went ahead and defined the part of this a little bit more just to get it like really straight. Because I'm a neat freak. I want it to be perfect. Don't mind that nasty chewed up finger over there. When I was 3 years old, my finger got slammed on the door. That will be told in the story time. Don't look at my damn finger. Just watch. Okay, like, do y'all really see this wig though? This is beautiful. I wasn't even going for this color and that part. Like, it was just so perfect. Like, how did I do that? Magic hands. So now I'm going in with some serum I got out here in Philly. I don't know. It was a beauty supply store my cousin took me to, and I got it. It was some, you know, heat serum to make the hair silky and nice. So now I'm just going in with my little hot comb method, you know, my little hot comb flat iron method, and I just press the hair out, get it all shiny and silky and just ready to be all over snap, looking like ooh, look at me, edges laid, period. But yeah, you know, and I just continue to flat iron and straighten it and get it to just be bomb. So I went ahead and took that same makeup and filled in the front part where it looks a little bald and shiny on the closure, and here it is. The hair was silky and beautiful. I got this hair from AliExpress. I will drop the link below, and you know, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Oh, y'all wanted me to put the wig on and style it too? Ugh, fine. Here. So I went ahead and gave it some curls. This is like my second time ever using a curl line. I'm still learning. I love straight. As you see in all my videos, my hair is bone straight. And I really thought I knew what I was doing. Look, I'm all spraying it. I'm setting the curls. I'm thinking it's about to be bomb, and then boom. I pulled the curls out. I'm like, I can't do this. I was frustrated. Like, you could just see it on my face. Look at me. I look like damn George Washington. Like I belong on a damn dollar bill or some shit. Look, I'm over here. Then I comb it out. I'm like, I'm looking like Alondra. This is just not gonna work. So I just went ahead and did some baby hairs and just straightened back my baby because I can't. Straight hair is just my thing. Curls, I'll practice some other day. I had to bring you guys through this step with me because I wanted you to see my mistakes so you could learn from it, you know. And after I straightened it, I felt 10 times better, and here's the final results, you know. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Hit that notification bell. Love you guys. Bye.